What's up, kings and queen? It's your girl Stacy, and I'm back today with another awesome video for you and all of you guys. Today I'm going to be making a potato cheese pancake. So if you're interested in seeing this video, definitely stick around. Okay, so we have 6 potatoes here. I'm going to go ahead and slice them not too big and not too small. We are not going to boil these potatoes. We are going to steam them, okay? So I have my pot on medium heat with some water in it, and I'm going to go ahead and put my steamer on top of it so my potatoes could steam. I'm going to definitely show you what I'm referring to. All right, now my potato them slice up. They are ready to go. I have my water here and it's pretty ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and add this other pot on top of it. And I'm just going to go ahead and load my potatoes in there. And at this point, we are not going to put any salt, any butter, any black pepper. We're not going to do any of that. Now I'm just going to go ahead and get my cover and cover my pot, and I'll come back in about 10-20 minutes to check on them to see if they're soft enough. All right guys, so I'll be right back. All right guys, so I'm back checking on the potatoes. Let's see. All right, they are ready. I'm soft and I'm ready for mash up. All right, so I had them on the stove for a good 20 minutes. All right guys, I'm going to use my fork and just mash these baby out. Keep on mashing them. We just don't want to start adding the rest of the ingredients to it yet. We kind of just want to work it first. Just work the fork through it. And if you have a masher, use your masher. That would work perfect. All right, so I decided to go and get my masher. And as I mentioned before, we don't want to start add our ingredients yet. Kind of just work this, just work it in. All right, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt is for taste. Okay, I want to work it in before we add the other ingredients in. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons of sugar. All right. I'm going to go ahead and work that in as well. But if you want to use a fork at this point, you can. Okay, so right here I have a half a cup of flour. I'm going to add this in little by little because we want this to become a dough. Okay. Okay, I'm going to transfer from using my masher. I'm going to use a fork. So you gradually add in flour. If you like to use your hands, feel free to do so. At some point, I'm going to start using my hands. All right, at this point, I'm going to put the fork away and start using my hands. And we just want to kind of roll it in. Now when you're using your hand, be careful, because if you're going into it right away, it can be a little bit hot, okay? Alright guys, just a little side note, my potato was a little bit too hot for me to be using my hands, so I let it sit for about 5 minutes to cool off. And I'm just adding back more flour in there because we want this to come to a dough. Alright, now that you see that it's coming to a dough shape, lovely, it's all coming together, guys. And turn on my frying pan on medium heat. All right, gonna let that rest up for a second, and then once my oil is hot, I'm going to come back and show you guys how I fry my potato cheese pancake. All right, so I went ahead and I sectioned them out, and I also dust them with a little bit of flour. Now I did put a little bit of oil on my hands, okay? So we're just gonna roll it into a round ball, just as how if we're making fried dumpling or something like that. All right, so I have some mozzarella cheese. I'm going to go ahead and stuff the middle with my cheese, just like so, and then we're gonna just bring it back in. See that? Just like so. Alright guys, so now my pot is on medium low, and I already added some oil in there. And guys, don't get discouraged, this could be a little bit sticky. That's why you have your flour beside you, and all I'm doing is I'm just pressing it out, just like so, because these are pancake, right? You want some nice pancake. So I'm just going to go ahead and add it. All right, so I'm back. Whenever you see the side start browning up, that's when you know it's time to turn. Whoa, look at that. I'll go ahead and add another one to the pot. This time I'm not gonna flatten it out so big. Two to 3 minutes on each side. Once you see the sides start browning, That's when you know it's ready to turn. You will love it. The kids will love it. Everybody will love it. Once you have cheese up in it, me backside, everybody love cheese. We don't see who not like cheese unless you're lactose intolerant. You're not gonna like cheese, but I feel like cheese make a world of difference. If you like cheese, comment below in the comment section and let me know what kind of cheese you like. My favorite cheese is Jamaican cheese. Nothing can beat my Jamaican cheese. Alright? Guys, here's the final look of my potato cheese pancake. All right, now you know your girl have to definitely bite into this for you guys, right? Because I want to break it in two and let you guys see all that cheese oozing out. This is the final look of my potato cheese pancake. All right guys, so you know I had to come back and taste these bad guys for you on camera. Guys, I can't even talk because my mouth is running water. You ready? Because I'm ready. I'm definitely ready to get into this. All right, guys, be careful because it's a little bit hot. Whoa. Oh my God. Look at all that cheese. Oh. Mmm. Wow. Okay. This is good. I have a little secret. First time making these. I did not know how these are going to be turning out. But to be quite honest with you, they are the bomb.com. Definitely, guys, give this a try at home. As I said in the video, don't be discouraged. It's going to be a little bit sticky, but you can do it. It is definitely worth giving this a try. Alright guys, if you like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, and also comment below what do you think about my potato cheese pancake. Until next time, bye.